Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at the most southern point in Key West, Florida. Here with Celebrity Silhouette Cruise in early March 2025, recording a small beach area with many college-age people here. On this cruise, they were wearing lanyards talking about a college spring break cruise. So you can see many people at the beach. Palm trees off to this side. You can see the pretty clear water. Can't quite see to the bottom, but get a really good view going out with the Insta360 camera, seeing the whole area. A small wall on this side. Back to the beach, you can see many people coming out of the water. Further down, you can swim if you want and be more in the water. Lots of beachgoers here, some people taking out alcohol, others just on the towels outside. Cafe and bar area on this side, and further down, birds towards the back, some boats, some jet skis. See the seagulls just flying away as I approach, going towards the others. Quite a big group of the birds in the back. Can see some people fishing and a lot of signs, no diving allowed. It's not very deep at this point. Some music in the background, very large chair for decorative purposes. This is the beach cafe and a walkway approaching. There's also a butterfly conservatory that was close to here at this southernmost point. Interesting sights here in Key West. This will be my last video from Key West, Florida. Some planes flying above, a photo booth on the ground, lots of foliage, and a statue mentioning Tennessee Williams. There's a Tennessee Williams area here, including a lighthouse. Right outside, there is a mojito bar, closest bar to Cuba, and a pink house. On this side, you can see more of the palm trees up ahead. Lots of bicycles and a yellow design. Here's a statue, City of Sea West Anne's Girl, Conch House Cornerstone.
Well, you just gotta get used to them.
Southernmost Beach Resort. Pretty busy day. Nice weather, about 65, maybe 70 degrees. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Key West, Florida. Stay tuned for more content.